Welcome back to Ride Review. Today we're diving into the 2025 Fiat Punto, an iconic compact car that's back with a modern twist. If you're looking for a small car with great efficiency, an updated design, and city-friendly performance, stick around as we go through its key features. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Fiat Punto carries a sleek yet compact body, making it perfect for urban driving. Its redesigned front grille and LED headlights give it a sharper, more aggressive look compared to its predecessor. Plus, the Punto is offered in a range of vibrant colors, making it stand out on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiat Punto is powered by a 1.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 98 horsepower. While this may seem modest, it provides excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and a responsive driving experience. It's a car that strikes a balance between practicality and fun behind the wheel, especially with its nimble handling that makes tight city corners a breeze. Inside, the Fiat Punto keeps things simple yet modern. The cabin is spacious for its size, with comfortable seating for 5 passengers. The dashboard is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. You'll also find a digital driver display that keeps key driving information easily accessible. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 Punto features advanced safety tech, including lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear parking sensors, great for navigating busy streets. Fiat has also improved the car's structural integrity, adding peace of mind for both city and highway driving. What makes the 2025 Fiat Punto unique is its blend of affordability and style. Priced starting at $17,500, it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on design or key features. It's a great fit for young drivers, small families, or anyone looking for a versatile city car. Now for the final change. Every day we're bringing you fresh updates on the 2025 Fiat Punto, so be sure to tune in tomorrow for the latest news on its standout features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Ride Review for more detailed car insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.